Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette, a place where you can find easy, quick, and healthy recipe. And today's recipe is Tortang talong, a Filipino dish. To start, boil or steam an eggplant. This might take 3 to 5 minutes, depends on the sizes and how many you will cook. Once they are cooked, remove them and set aside and let them cool. While waiting for the eggplant to cool down, we can prepare the other ingredients. Whisk or beat 3 pieces of eggs. Don't forget to check my descriptions. There are kitchenware and kitchen utensils I offer. Maybe you find your long-wanted one. For my followers, thank you for being with me once again. And for those new here, I hope you enjoy and learn from this recipe, and please subscribe to my channel. We may never know, but we do know there are many reasons to make eggs an essential part of your diet. It's a nutritious treat. Eating cholesterol affects different people. Well, differently. Eggs raise good cholesterol. Have a piece of bell pepper cut, slice, remove the seeds, and then cut into cubes. Don't forget to check our descriptions where you can avail or order kitchenware and kitchen utensils. Red bell peppers are a nutrient-dense food that offer many health benefits such as high in vitamin C, which may reduce the risk of certain chronic or aging-related health conditions. Good source of vitamin A and fiber. Have antioxidant properties, which may help to protect against diseases such as cardiovascular disease and some cancers. Packed with antioxidants, help support healthy night vision. Add the bell pepper to the minced pork and eggs. We need 1 piece of small size of red onion, cut into cubes. This versatile culinary plant can provide a real health boost to anyone. But exactly why are red onions good for you? This sheds light on the health benefits of onions, particularly red onions, and explains how the nutrients in onions, including quercetin, allicin, and chromium, can protect against cancer, fight fungi and bacteria, promote cardiovascular health, reduce high blood pressure and insulin resistance, and aid in weight loss. Chopped and minced 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Cooked garlic has the same health benefits as raw garlic, such as reducing high blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promotes cancer prevention, has antibiotic properties, and prevents Alzheimer's and dementia. Cooked garlic is much easier to digest than raw garlic and also contains a wide variety of vitamins and minerals that promote overall health, specifically immune health. Can you still follow the recipe? Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us what you want to see next. Add a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vegetable flavor, a pinch of pepper, 1/2 basil, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and mix well. Pork mince, also known as ground pork, is a versatile and flavorful meat that can be used in a wide variety of dishes. It is made from ground pork shoulder, which gives it a juicy and tender texture. Pork mince is a great source of protein and iron, and it is also relatively low in fat. In addition to being a delicious and versatile meat, pork mince is also a good source of several nutrients. It is a good source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. Pork mince is also a good source of iron, which is important for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Additionally, pork mince is a good source of zinc, which is important for immune function. Slice the eggplant in the middle but not passing to the other side. Open and press a little. Fill it with the minced pork. Then cover the skin side of the eggplant with flour. Do the same with the other eggplants. Surprising health benefits of eggplants are, they are rich in many nutrients. Eggplants are a nutrient-dense food, meaning they contain a good amount of vitamins, minerals, and fiber and few calories. If you think this recipe is helpful to you, then give me a thumbs, comment, and share this video to your friends and families. Tortang talong, Filipino eggplant omelet. Crispy, succulent, egg-battered fried eggplant stuffed with seasoned ground pork. After filling the eggplant with minced pork and other ingredients, we can fry them. When frying, make sure your cooking oil is hot to prevent them from sticking on the pan. After 1 minute of frying, flip them. Turn the heat into low heat and continue frying for another 1 minute. Don't forget to visit my shop, which can be found in the descriptions. One of the dishes I request most often when I visit my parents' house is tortang talong, an eggplant cooked whole, peeled, flattened with a fork, dipped in egg, and shallow fried until golden brown. Growing up, my mom preferred roasting the eggplant, and what would arrive at the table was a study in contrasting textures and flavors. The naturally sweet roasted eggplant offset by the salty seasoning, the soft, creamy flesh encased in the crisp fried exterior. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.